I love the impact I'm making at a global scale by working at QLogic. We engineer high traffic applications that reach global audiences.
QLogic is so much at the forefront of technology. The R&D team researches and analyzes emerging technologies and how it can bring more value to businesses. We are creating boilerplates and templates for technology and business challenges that can be leveraged to rapidly problem solve.
QLogic supports you in developing yourself as an individual because they believe if you are able to grow yourself as an individual, it can be applied to the growth of the organization. There's a well-defined learning path that is directly mapped with your aspirations. Managers also encourage learning new initiatives that will help develop your personality and skills.
The culture here is very supportive. Everyone has a growth mindset. The learning never stops. I've been here for 5 years, but it still seems like yesterday. I'm constantly learning, upskilling, and faced with new challenges every day.
My team and I built a cybersecurity product for IAC, a brand that owns Tinder, Vimeo, and such internet companies. The product is helping keep data for millions of users safe and also predicting potential threats. That's crazy, isn't it? Nothing else I do has such kind of an impact.
There is a product thinking DNA in the organization. Everyone from top to bottom carries the same passion of building world-class products. The passion that everyone carries rubs off on you. Using technology and software, we are trying to make businesses and their end customers even more efficient. We really are pushing the boundaries of what is possible.
There are so many opportunities that are presented to you apart from work. We are encouraged to participate in hackathons, to speak at conferences, publish our findings, and also lead local and global tech communities.
Our team built this while IoT was fairly a new concept and was still evolving. We pioneered how a consumer electronic product could change a game using software. I often joke, while Tesla was doing it for cars, we did it for consumer electronics.
If you're working with QLogic, it doesn't matter what project you work on. If it is built here, it will be path-breaking and creating an impact on hundreds of thousands of people. This motivation alone changes how you think about your career and your profession.
We are working with people from a lot of different backgrounds, cultures, experiences, creating an environment of openness, support, and learning. Objective is to help people realize their potential, make them feel valued, and at the same time work towards a common mission, that is to build a world-class software. We are often quoted as a company with technology at its core. However, we always strike that out and say our people are at our core.